Ron Vetter is a full professor in the Computer Science Department at the University of North Carolina, Wilmington, where he holds numerous leadership and academic positions, including Department Chair, Chief Research Officer, and Dean of the Graduate School. He has a long professional history of service to the computing profession at large, contributing to national and international editorial boards and conference program committees. He has served on the editorial board for Computer, the flagship publication of the Society, since 1995, including terms as editor-in-chief. He has also served on Computer Society committees and boards, including the Conference and Tutorials Board, the Electronic Products and Services Board, the E-Learning Committee, and the Digital Library Committee.
The best advice that I received was probably from my father several years ago when he said to me, be willing to work for free. And what he meant by that was not necessarily you shouldn't get paid for things, but it's okay to work on things and to collaborate people, even though there may not be research money or resources available initially. I think one of the ways that people can be successful is by starting a project, not having necessarily research funding, but as success comes, the research support often will follow. As you get older, you reflect back upon your life sometimes and you realize that I've been given a lot. And so I try to remember that and try to give back in the same way. And I always try to encourage students and others to get involved in the professional societies that are of interest to their research careers. It's the only way really to stay current in your field.
For extraordinary and visionary contributions to the profession and impactful leadership within IEEE and the IEEE Computer Society, we present the 2023 Richard E. Merwin Award for Distinguished Service to Ron Vetter.